and welcome to the Baywatch system onboarding training video. First things first is you should have received an email. Check your inbox if you haven't already. From Baywatch here, you're going to be able to set up a password for your account. Usually your username is always going to be your email. And so go through that email and it'll redirect you where you can set up a password for your account. So once you've set up a password, you know your email and your password, go to baywatchtechnologies.com. You'll see this. You're going to go to login here. I will use the demo account here. So go ahead and enter in your username and password. I'm going too fast. Feel free to pause the video. So once you're logged in, the first thing you're going to see is this. Will be the product walkthrough. This is a great video to share with maybe other people who will be using the system at your business. And then from here, if you're following along with this video, go ahead and just click X, exit out of that. So you're going to see a screen. You probably won't see any videos. You may, if the system has been working for a few days or weeks. But first thing is the easiest way to look up a video is by the license plate of the vehicle. That's number one. So you can go ahead and enter one in there. The easiest way is going to be to look it up by the plate number. If you don't have that, the next best thing to do is to go ahead and set a date and time parameter. So for me, I'm just going to kind of do a wide date range. Go over here to find the time. You can scroll up and down and go earlier or later in the day. So we're going to go super early here, and then I'll kind of widen the date range. I'll go all the way to the next day. All bays, so if you have multiple bays at your business, an easy way to look up the video too is if you don't have the plate number, but you know roughly the time and the date it came through, and if you happen to know the bay it drove through as well, you can narrow it down even more. But for this purpose, we're just going to stick with all bays. Go ahead and click search. So you should have more videos than me here. These are some demo ones we loaded in. But we're going to go ahead and start with the first one. We're going to review the footage here. So this next page, you can choose what angle you need. So we're going to stick with passenger middle. And from here, we can hit play. Watch the vehicle come in at full speed. But let's say we're trying to look for a scratch and it's kind of moving too fast for us. We're going to go super slow-mo at quarter speed. So I play again. Really slow. It's maybe a little too slow for my taste. We'll go half speed. See the vehicle moving through. Then right from this page, you can say, let's go driver lower. We want that angle of this vehicle. So you can play again. Watch the car come through. Say we want to check out the rims here, see how they're doing. Oh, they look pretty good. Nice. So let's say this car is not the one we were looking for. Instead of going all the way back out to the main screen, what we can do is right from this view, we can just go next vehicle. So, okay, let's say, all right, this is the one we're looking for. Hit play. All right, we got a little scratch here, right here. So I was looking for this. We're going to zoom. So click zoom. Make sure you're using Chrome. That's what works best. So that could just be some dirt or something. But let's say we were looking for this. Then you could hit click, and then you can add a note. And then I'll click here, and I'll circle that. So from here, we'll just say damage above tire, the reviewer, through me. I'm going to save that note. So it'll be saved now. And so you can go back. And there's the second one we were looking at. So we can view notes. And we just did this today. So view this note. And we can share this with the customer. Really easily to share this with them. We can download it as a PDF right here. Or you can download it right here as well. But view note. Looks like this is the one we were doing actually. So yeah, here's the Baywatch system, pretty much in a nutshell. The driver middle. Some of this may be repetitive, but I just want to kind of show you. Oh, pause. We'll go quarter speed. Really go slow-mo here. Watch the vehicle. Okay, this is a dirty one too. Okay, we'll go passenger lower. So really the system was pretty simple. So if you have any questions though, one of the best things to do is to use this chat feature. You can reach out to support. Within a few minutes, they will help you either find a video. If you have information about the plate, the model, the color, what time it came through, what day, possible what bay it came through, that would help the customer support team help look up the video for you as quick as they can. But yeah, pretty straightforward. This is the Baywatch system, the software side of things. If you have any questions, reach out to support or give us a call or your sales rep a call. I'll be more than happy to help. But yeah, hope you have a good one.